Only one bird that can attack in the laser light and defend it in this world, it's peacock. Yeah, you heard that right. Welcome to PI Sanatana Series. All truths revealed here. If you missed the previous episode, I have added the link in description for you people. Kindly have a look. Let's begin the episode 2. Why peacock is our national bird. In schools, we thought that eagle is most dynamic out of all birds. But still, why peacock? In the national birds race, why Great Indian Bustard lost with peacock? Is it just the word bustard? Before that, let's look into the numbers. In India, Great Indian Bustards count is around 200, mostly in Rajasthan. When coming to peacock, it's around 60 lakhs to 1 crore. Yeah, the number is huge, but mostly they are in South India. Why? The key points about peacock. Mainly its ability is that it can run, fly and dance. One more ability that it can able to kill the snakes. Yes, but its venom turn into nutrition for the peacock's body. One more hidden ability that peacock can emit the laser light. Yeah, that was found in the research by the students of Florida Polytechnic College, USA. By adding some dye, they can able to achieve that. But I believe it has an internal ability. Let's imagine in ancient days, does any laser attack happen? Does Peacock stood up and saved all humans? Yes, Peacock saved humans and defused the laser attack. Let's look at the laser attack first. In the photo of Jesus Christ on behind, there are UFOs that has been used against humans with the laser attack by reptilians, skinwalkers, and vampires. Second, let's see where it was clearly mentioned. In the temple structures of Tamil Nadu, on one of the temple pillar in Thirukazhukundram Shiva Temple, on one of the pillar it clearly mentioned like this: the Jains and humans are saved by the people. So Jains stayed along with us. Yes, but we don't know where they are now. It is my dharma to tell what I know. In Bhagavad Gita, it clearly mentioned Pavitranaya sadhunam vinasaya chatuskrutam dharma samsthapanardhaya sambhavami yuge yuge. It means whenever the dharma steps out, he will be stepping in, or he will send someone to step in. Have you identified that even Lord Krishna has a peacock feather on top of his head to stay away from the laser attack? Probably yes. Like this interesting data that I have collected in my research, I am really waiting for the producers to take this to the next step to feature film. Myself, director star, all my content shines like a star. Let's jump into the next episode. Just now we saw about the bird, peacock, hidden features and abilities. What about the animal? Why the Indian national animal is a tiger? If you like this content, Kindly add your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.